Are you still wrestling with Vectorworks, fighting the software more than you're designing? I'm Jonathan Pickup, and for 30 years I've been in the trenches. I deliver the clearest, most practical Vectorworks training on the planet. For 8 years, I wrote most of Vectorworks training manuals. Now, the depth of Vectorworks can leave you stuck with nowhere to turn. That's where I come in. When I worked in a large office, there was always someone to turn to. If you're working on your own, you've got nowhere to turn to, and that's where I help you. My aim is to create a community where you can turn for help when you need it, so that you're in business on your own, but you're not on your own. My solution is the Vectorworks Training School. This is a daily interactive Vectorworks life support system. This is where you can get the help you need when you need it without the sales talk. You get instant access to my entire library of proven content. Stop searching, start learning. Now, every month I have 6 live webinars where you can get specific answers directly answered by me, a 30-year expert. You'll never have to troubleshoot alone. There's a private community of peers to share wins, troubleshoot problems, and collaborate for answers. Effectiveness equals higher value. Master your software. Cut design time. Increase your earning potential. Now there's a bonus. Weekly online sessions to answer your project questions. Bring your projects along and get answers. But don't just take it from me. Listen to what my users say.
I was using Vectorworks like it was a pencil. I could not do really anything. And now I can push one button and my 2D drawings are miraculously 3D. I'm just so much more efficient. I have said this to other people that are using Vectorworks, you have to know Jonathan. I don't know, I have a small business. I don't know how I would have run it without Jonathan. He is a valuable consultant to me.
How was your use of Vectorworks before you found my community?
Frustrating, very frustrating. So I knew what I wanted to do, but I didn't know how to do it. And I found that I was spending hours wasting time on something so simple that could have been answered very, very quickly.
So what's your use of Vectorworks now that you've found my community?
Much faster. And even if I still don't know anything, I hop into your community and I try and find what I'm looking for. And more than likely, I find it very, very quickly, and then I can complete the task. It's a relief. It's a relief.
So if you were talking to somebody else and they were on the fence, what would you say to them?
Just do it. Worth every cent. It is worth not having to tear your hair out when you have deadlines due and people are waiting for you just because you can't figure out, how to communicate what you want to communicate, because that's what plans are all about. And there's many ways to do different things, and I know you show that. So 100% do it, definitely.
I've got another bonus for you. Once a month, I invite someone for a deep dive into how they use Vectorworks in their office to answer their organization questions. Click here to become part of this community and master your Vectorworks. Catch you later.